Hello friends, let's try to understand three basic questions of cloud. The first one is, what is cloud computing? Imagine a world where you don't need to store all your digital files, software, and data on your own computer or servers. Instead, you can access and use these resources over the internet. Just like we access our emails or any kind of social media. The revolutionary concept is also known as cloud computing. Think about that. Anything we use today for our daily life, like going to Amazon.com to order something, going to hotels.com to book something, or any other website that we visit, most of the websites are hosted in cloud nowadays. So the next question comes like, why we need cloud computing? Cloud computing is kind of technology that has transformed the way business and individuals manage their lives. Instead, relying on our physical devices like hard drive, we used to have floppies, CDs, pen drive, leverage a vast network of remote servers, often located in data centers around the world. These servers are connected to the internet and provide a wide range of services and resources. Services that you end up renting, or you can have Amazon, AWS, Google, Oracle, any kind of cloud. Those are available. You are basically able to rent those services on demand. In many cases, or most of the cases, you only pay for what you use. And so you use it for a few hours, then you pay only for those few hours. Now, the question arises, why Azure? It depends on the technology stack that we have or the engagement that we have with the companies. Very similar to Azure, AWS, Google, Oracle, SAP Cloud also there. So these all clouds are serving very similar kind of a purpose. For particular, Azure, also known as Microsoft Azure Cloud Services, is a suite of cloud computing services provided by Microsoft as part of the Microsoft Azure platform. Azure platform allows us to develop our business with many services. Those are available in Azure Cloud. So let's deep dive a little bit into the portal. So this is how you can log into the portal, that is portal.azure.com. To register or to sign up, so you need a credit card and you will get free amount to do POC, doing some testing, or there are more types of licenses or the registrations like pay as you go, or you can have your own enterprise agreement with the Microsoft. Now you can see there are different types of services. Let me quickly go through some of the services that is very popular. So if you go to the menu, you can go to the all services, and there are plenty of services there. There are few services that we know. The virtual machines. Azure provides a variety of virtual machines options, allowing all the users to run Windows or Linux-based virtual machines in cloud. So these virtual machines can be used for any kind of purpose, like hosting website, running applications, or performing any kind of a data analysis. The app service, Azure App Service, is a platform for building, developing, and scaling any kind of web applications and APIs. It supports various programming languages like .NET, Java, Python, and Node. SQL Server is also part of the services. Azure offers fully managed relational database service, including Azure SQL Database, which is compatible with Microsoft SQL servers. It provides scalability, high availability, and the security features as well. There are multiple services. I would like to say the Function app, that is another service provided by Microsoft, which is completely serverless, that allows to run code in response to events without the need of managed infrastructure. That's one of the beauty of the serverless in nowadays. It also has a Kubernetes services. This service simplifies the deployment, management, and scaling of containerized applications using Kubernetes, a popular container orchestration platform. There are many services. We'll deep dive to this channel. Thank you for watching.